Kia ora and welcome to Sweetest Cooking. Anke here, and it is so lovely to see you. Now in today's episode I'm gonna show you how to make tasty and budget-friendly fish cakes. Now this is a great recipe if you have any leftover mashed potatoes. And as a fish option I'm using either canned pink salmon or canned tuna, but you can also use smoked fish or leftover cooked fish, whatever you have in your fridge. If you enjoy this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my cooking channel. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. Now it's time to do our taste test, and if you're wondering what this is next to my fish cakes on my plate, I like to serve my fish cakes with some kimchi. It's just my personal preference. They're really nice and crispy because of the breadcrumbs. Just a little bit of kimchi. They're lovely, light and fluffy on the inside, and as I said before, because of the breadcrumbs, the outside is really nice and crunchy. Absolutely beautiful. It's great for a light lunch or a nice light dinner in summertime with a glass of white wine on the side and maybe a little bit of a salad. Now I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share the recipe with your friends and family, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.